Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get money on your Cash App account. Now there are various methods on how you can get money on your Cash App account, but I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest methods on how you can get. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get money on your Cash App by requesting it. So what you need to do is you need to log in into your Cash App account, and once you're logged into your account you'll be directed to the home page, and then on the home page you need to tap on request in the bottom left corner of your screen. And as you tap on request next interface, you need to enter the recipient address. That includes entering name, cash tag or phone number and email address. And in case if you're confused regarding the recipient address, and then you can find the recipient address from the suggestion, which is right at the bottom, and then you can even add a description to it. And once you're done entering all of the information, tap on request in the top right corner, and after that the recipient will be notified, and then he or she might be able to transfer the money to your Cash App, and that is how you can get money on your Cash App account. As I've already mentioned before that there are various methods on how you can get money on your Cash App. One of the method was by requesting the money, and the other thing what you can do is you can simply transfer it from your bank account, or you can add it to your debit card. So that is how you can get money on your Cash App account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.